If you are looking for the best EDC flashlight, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. GearLight LED Tactical Flashlight S1000. GearLight's LED tactical flashlights are suited for professionals who need a high-distance flashlight for work. You can light up an entire room with these flashlights that take advantage of 3 AAA batteries for maximum power. The flashlight comes with 5 adjustable settings including SOS and strobe functionality for communication or emergencies. You can also adjust the thickness of the beam depending on what you need to use the flashlight for. GearLight designed the flashlights in a way to prevent water damage and fall damage from affecting the internals. Number 2. J5 Tactical V1 Pro Flashlight. Despite the low lumen rating, it is extremely bright, with J5 claiming it is brighter than incandescent lights. It is fairly compact and you can carry it around everywhere without being burdened. It also has a clip strap system, allowing you to attach the flashlight to your trousers or backpack. J5 claims that the flashlight can survive 9-foot drops and be submerged in water without being damaged. You can swap between high, low and strobe settings to get the perfect lighting that you need. Number 3. Streamlight 66122 Stylus Pro Pen Light. For most people, this Stylus Pro pen light from Streamlight is all they'll need in an EDC flashlight. It boasts a streamlined design that's equally durable and elegant, a respectable light and 8 hours of running battery life. As the name suggests, the torch is about the size of a pen and 5.3 inches long. The Stylus Pro incorporates an unbreakable polycarbonate lens and multiple O-ring design, providing water-resistant construction and contamination resistance. The sleek compact 0.5-watt LED Stylus Pro runs on 2 AAA batteries. Number 4. Anker Rechargeable Boulder LC90 LED Flashlight. The high-quality LED lights have a lifespan of 5,000 hours of usage. The flashlight comes with a massive 3,350 mAh rechargeable battery that can be topped up by the in-box charger or any phone charger that you carry with you. It has a fully zoomable lens that you can adjust to adjust the beam of the flashlight. There are multiple light settings to choose from, and even at the highest brightness you can get 6 hours of battery life, which is stellar. Number 5. BINWO Super Bright High Lumen XMLT6 LED Flashlights. BINWO is one of the most reliable flashlight manufacturers in the world. With 2000 lumens of brightness, it is one of the brightest pocket flashlights that you can get your hands on. The LED bulbs used in the product are rated to last 50,000 hours of usage, which is very impressive. With a range of up to 200 meters, the super bright flashlight is practical for both professional and personal use. With 5 working light modes, you can switch between different brightness settings as well as strobing and SOS modes. The best thing about the flashlight is the IPX5 rating, which allows you to battle all weather conditions. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.